Guys, here is another video how I took this entry on crash 1000, as you can see. So let's just get to the analysis straight. These are analyze the market. You can see that this market is in a downtrend, a massive downtrend. It has already broke structure. You can see the structure of it falling. It comes back here again. There's this resistance here, then the market fall. So this is what I'm trying to catch. You can see that I entered the trading. I'm trying to catch this retracement because this market will retrace up here and start falling again. That's what the market will do. But whenever this market break the top here, then that's when I'll know that okay, this market is about to change trend on bigger time frame. So on bigger time frame, we can see that the market is selling massively. And for me to catch retracement, it's not advisable. If you're not really good, I won't advise you to catch retracement because you can't tell when the retracement will be over because retracement is for a short period of time. But for me to catch this retracement, this is how I do it. Like after I know that okay, this market has already made an impulsive move, and I can see some candlestick pattern right here that okay, this market seems buyer is about to take over right here. You can see when the market is falling, sell. Buyer took over here, but the buyer was not enough. They later sell. So you can see this candle right here. You can see that buyers and sellers really struggle right here. Same thing here, same thing here, same thing here, same thing here. So this is when I noticed that buyers presence and in the market around here. Buyers presence are much more around here than this previous candle when it was falling. So that's when I come to my lower time frame to look for my entry. So how did I get my entry? Simple way. This is the first thing. You can see the structure on smaller time frame. Higher lower high, lower low. Market goes up and form another lower high. Then comes down to form lower low. Market goes up to form lower high, comes down lower low, goes up again lower high. This is where I see that okay, these people are actually struggling. They are fighting it among each other that okay, buyer is about to take control, no sellers want to took control back, buyer is about to take control, seller took control back. So once this market comes down again and give us a double bottom right here, I can't just enter blindly because double bottom happens and at the end it will later break. But I can see that there's buyers present over here. So the market goes up here, then comes down. Immediately I notice that this market goes up here and comes down. I notice that there's another block here. Comes to 30 minutes time frame. I noticed that okay, there's a zone right here. I've seen so many things like this. I told you that if you've been practicing every time, there are some things that once you notice in the market, you'll be like, I've seen this before, I've traded this before. When I trade this, I made a mistake, it doesn't work out. But when I trade this, it actually worked out. So when I see something like this, I actually marked out this zone. I've already deleted it. And once this market comes down here, I wait for this 30 minutes candle to close. Then I enter in the next candle, which is here. So market goes up, comes down. I've already locked my profits because I know this market is in the downtrend. It can decide that okay, it's not retracing again. Sellers might take control back. So this is just a retracement. So I have to be very careful. That's why I entered with one position. My previous video I used two positions, but yeah, I used one position because I know how risky this is. This one is much more risky than any other thing. No structure has been broken or anything. I just took it that okay, this thing I've seen it before, and this is another indication for me. Like this is a double bottom for me that okay, you can execute your trade like this. So I enter after this 30 minutes candle closed. Then I write the next 30 minutes, write the next 30 minutes. A retracement happened. I locked my profit that okay, it's going to take me out. I won't have to lose my bigger money because I set my stop loss here. Like it's about $5 losses. That okay, if it's going to take me out, even with spike and it push it downward, I won't lose more than $2 or $1 or nothing. I might lose nothing too. But after the retracement, I can see that this market is already going up. Why it is going up? Coming to 5 minutes time frame, I can see the structure the market is formed. After here, okay, I enter the market goes up, it comes down, goes up, comes down. And it started forming structure on 5 minutes. This is a structure, this is a structure, this is a structure, and this and I know that this market is actually going up. And coming to back to 15 minutes, I can see that you can see this is a high right here, this is a low. Market has broken this high, which means that okay, for market to break here is not as easy as when the market was here without breaking this high. I don't know, maybe you get what I'm trying to say there. So that's when I have confidence in my trade that okay, this market is still going up. So my target should be here at first, but no, my target should be here now. But with the way I'm looking at things, I will draw my trend line. I will keep on shifting my stop loss upward, keep on shifting my stop loss upward because market might break here. it might be a major retracement. If it is a major retracement, market will have to reach here. You can see there's another block right here, and other block waiting right here. So if the market reach here, I will probably have earned $30 by the time market reach here. But I won't just sit down and wait for the market reach here. It's not that I own the market also. So I'll be expecting this zone. I'll be watching this zone. Once market reach this zone, I'll keep on monitoring the structure on lower time frame, like 15 minutes, 5 minutes, to see that okay, anytime I notice that one of the structure has been broken, like let's say market comes down and break this structure right here, you break this low right there, I will just take it out, like okay, with my few profits, which might be maybe $9 or $10, I will just take it out with my few profit. So I'm actually showing you small accounts to know that account size is not a barrier. You just have to calculate your everything. If you don't know about position sizing, you can search for a video on YouTube. It will explain position sizing, so you will know the accurate lot size to use for your equity. No matter the balance you have, there's an accurate lot size to use. So you just have to know that okay, this is what I'm willing to lose out of my balance. So after you know what you are willing to risk, you find your entry, that this is my entry and this is the place, this is the perfect place to set stop loss for this entry. So you use your entry price and your stop loss price to calculate, to know the lot size to use, that okay, in case it hits my stop loss, I won't lose more than this so amount that I'm willing to risk for this trade. So that's just it. Make sure you calculate every of your trade. Make sure you calculate. You can see it's still real. I don't show them more. No, I don't show them. I don't. So this is a real account. Let's say we are still riding. So we are in over 30 pips already. 30 pips profit already. 30 pips. I'm not regretting that. Oh, I should have used bigger loss. I should have used it. This is a calculated position. I've already calculated that. Okay, I know how risky it was when I want to enter this trade, and immediately I enter, I already know that I've already calculated my risk. That this is what I'm willing to risk in my trade, on this trade, in my balance, in my equity, that I'm not willing to risk more than $5. That's why I use this exact lot size one positions, and after that it's already in profit. I already locked my profit, so I won't even be risking up to $5 again in case it turns back. And I won't wait for the market to turn back and reach it. Once I see that it has broken structure on smaller time frame, I will get out. Then we can look for another entry using structure. Okay, and also what I'm waiting for is once there's market shift here, you can see this stop is about to get broken. Once this stop is broken, and I won't even be scared, because I know that the next zone the market will be targeting is here. You can see I set my stop loss accurately for here. So that's just how we trade. That's just how you trade. You just have to break down everything from the top below. If you don't break down everything, just think that okay, let me start with my lower time frame and enter trade. You want to know maybe the market is actually making an impulsive move or a retracement. You might be trading against it. You can see I'm trading against the trend right here, but I know that the market has already made an impulsive move, and I know that okay, there's buyers presence in this market, which means the market is about to start a retracement. That there's high probability the market is about to start a retracement. I know how risky it was, but I've already calculated my risk, that okay, I'm not risking more than this so amount. It's already been calculated, and I took the trade and entered, and everything is going perfectly. So that's it. My next entry, I'll record a video, drop it, and explain. So you can check the descriptions if you want some. Maybe it's just a few dollars. You'll get it for a few dollars to explain everything in detail for you. Just follow the link in my descriptions, subscribe to my channel, and every other thing. Okay, so thank you. Peace out.